Hello and welcome to another FX Centrum daily market analysis. For today, I will go through our cross asset list. I will cover coffee market, WTI, US100, USD yen, pound dollar, gold market, euro dollar, US30, dollar index, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will begin with the coffee market, and of course, I'm using our FX Centrum platform. So let's start with the coffee market. What we had yesterday is a down day, so still market made a higher low and higher high, but we can see that market now at a close into the Bollinger Band range. We had something similar like this day here. The market had the very next day upside move and broke this pin bar tail. Now, interesting thing here to see is that we have now potential bear divergence on the fast and slow line of the moving average, as you can see here on the stochastic, and we also have some rate of change downside movement. So far we don't have a confirmation of the potential correction on the coffee market, potential bigger downside correction, but in case of the downside breakout of the previous, I will say the Bollinger Band low around 230, if market can break this and hold below, then there will be a chance for some downside correction on the daily time frame, maybe to 1740 to be on the test, or area around 215. And as you can see here on the daily time frame, it will probably be area around the middle Bollinger Band at this point. So far no confirmation. We don't have a confirmation yet. There is a still chance for market to rebound, retest 250 area again, and then eventually continue higher. But in case the downside move below the lower Bollinger Band on the hourly and market can hold below, then there will be a chance for a bigger pullback, let's say, on the daily time frame. On WTI, what we had is a rejection of our support. So as you can see, market fitted exactly into our downside objective based on this mini downside breakout here from 2 days ago. And that 81.60 mark was the key. As you can see, there was a rejection exactly from that level. And we can see that there was a big spread between the fast and slow line. And this is probably the result and this support together with this big spread between the slow and fast line stochastic. The result was this rally. And as a result of this rally that's happening right now today. In fact, market traded back into the 86.10 and then had a rejection to 83.90. So we can see the volatility is really present on the market. So upside continuation from my perspective only if we can see the break of 87.80, and then if market can hold above, then 89.90 mark can be in the play. But still slow and fast line and sloping to the downside. There is a bigger spread here, so that, as I said, that's probably the reason why we had this rally, the rate of change flip to the upside. But we will see how the day will close. If we close with a pin bar and so, then there will be a bit more chance for a downside moment in the next period. See, the hourly time frame just had a one candle break and no follow through. So this might be just how to say it, a shakeout for the sellers. And it will be very interesting to see how the day will close and how this candle will close today. And now US100, what to say about this? This was a trade idea that I sent a couple of days ago. So we had this breakout and I learned about, I think the price was like 70,700. Now it's already sitting at 70,248. So this idea is progressing very well and we're getting closer and closer to our downside objectives. So if you didn't see this trade idea that I posted like a couple of days ago, you need to subscribe on our YouTube channel in order to see those updates and those trade ideas. So subscribe on our YouTube channel, FX Centrum, and you'll be alerted about new trading ideas. So here, as we can see, slow line is sloping to the downside on the stochastic, and the fast line is sloping to the downside. So together and trading below the slow line, we don't have any meaningful reversal or anything like that. You can see that in the hourly time frame, there was another down break this morning. And now we have a correction, but the volatility is increasing here and expanding again on intra frame. So this we really have a downside momentum on the US100 and US indices overall. Now USD Japanese yen is holding well. There was an attempt for market to go, let's say, lower, 153.60. That was the maximum. Still strong environment above the 80 mark. And in case of the rebreak of 154.80, there will be a chance for further upside. And then the next target will be around 160 mark, short-term, mid-term speaking, on the USD Japanese yen. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame. So we can see market trade around the lower Bollinger Band, upper Bollinger Band, sold off aggressively, but now we have potential absorption. If market can absorb, hold this down, move, there is a potential for the bigger upside movement in next period. And again, this was a trading idea from last week when I alerted about the price was around 152.65. So far, market is trading around 154.40, and there is a plenty of potential for the upside movement. Now we can see our pound dollar just doing the consolidation around slow and fast line and sloping to the upside. Still, slow line is below the 20 mark. There was a lower low around 1.2400, and now rejection back up again. Let's see the hourly. So this is the hourly time frame. If we take a look at the daily time frame, we can see there that this consolidation market is testing this. If market can close below 1.2400, there will be a chance for a further downside movement, even all the way down towards 1.2200 mark. Take a look at the gold market. So still in this consolidation, in this candle, market had some attempt for the upside movement, just rejection. So key resistance at 24.31, key support at 23.15. Market is contracting on a daily time frame. Slow line is sloping to the downside, fast line is sloping to the downside, so there is a chance for the further downside movement. But we need to see the confirmation and the breakout of this consolidation. So still waiting for the breakout. Euro dollar is trying to break 1.0600 mark. This is a key support. From other side, we have resistance around 1.0690, 1.0700, and 1.0735. So still consolidation. You can see that this spread now became we have a less and lower spread compared to this. So this might be very soon that we complete this consolidation and continue with the next directional movement. In case of the breakout of 1.0600, there is a chance for the drop towards 1.0523. In case of the upside movement, that, as I said, the resistance is already there, very, very close to this area here. US30 is progressing as well, pretty well since the initial breakout of the lower Bollinger Band and the consolidation at this point. And we almost reached here the 37,125, this low from mid-January. But in case of the downside breakout of that pivot, the next pivot will, from my perspective, will be, I think, really around the previous swing high at the 35,900, and then the area around 34,900 as well. So this is something to pay attention. Again, we had a down break, volatility is expanding, and this might be just a pullback. So we will see if there will be a bear flag or continuation move, but strong downside momentum on the daily time frame. Now we have dollar index, so market is, we still have a room to retest 106.80 mark. We don't have any big divergences or anything like that. We had a more like a test of supply yesterday. So still market is trading higher in the short-term perspective. Short-term trend is upside. Hourly time frame here, we can see finally market is trading alongside upper Bollinger Band, and now you're just doing the natural pullback. So very likely there will be a chance for the upside continuation on the dollar index. And let's take a look at the Bitcoin. So as I said, Bitcoin is really, really close to break and hold below 59,000. It had the temporal rejection we will see at this point. But look at the slow line and the fast line. They're sloping to the downside. So and Bollinger Band is contracting, expanding, pardon, so there is a chance for the bigger movement, and the break of 59,000 and hold below will be a strong sign for the maybe 53,000 to be on the test, or even 40, 48, 47,000 next period. So pay attention to this potential scenario. And that will be all for this FX Centrum daily market analysis. If you didn't visit our website, please do so. fxcentrum.com. You can visit our FXC TV, visit our technical analysis area, trading ideas, different tutorials. You can explore also technical analysis from previous days and previous weeks and see how that looks like. Here we have trading area, so you can open an account in just a couple of clicks. It will take maybe a couple of minutes. You can try a free demo, $10,000 account, or open a live account in just a few clicks, and then you'll be able to watch our FX Centrum and use our FX Centrum platform. And that will be all for today's video. Have a good trading day, have a good weekend, and speak to you soon.